Let's make the Myers Rum Old Fashioned. We are going to be making this drink in the glass, and to start, we're going to get some sugar. 1 teaspoon of sugar. 1 teaspoon is 5 milliliters. I'll double check that. If I'm wrong, you'll see the subtitle down below. Next, 2 to 3 dashes of bitters, and they don't specify the type of bitters, but I'm going to assume Angostura, and I'm going to put 3 in. Next, water. It does say just enough water, which is not a measurement, so I'm going to put in 1 teaspoon and call that good. 1 teaspoon is 5 milliliters. Now, they say stir until and crush until the sugar dissolves. That sounds like muddling to me, so I'm going to muddle in the glass. I'll be right back with you. Okay, I'm going to say that's good enough. Now I need to get some ice. They say a couple of ice cubes, which is great. I'm going to get a fancy ice. You don't have to use fancy ice, but I'm going to get one. Right back with you. Okay, these are my fancy silicone molds. They're shaped like skulls. They're from my friend Will. Thank you, Will. I'm going to pop that in the glass. Next, I'm going to add 1.5 parts of rum. And I'm going to assume at this point that 1 part equals 1 cup, which is going to be 1.5 is going to be 12 ounces, which is going to be 360 milliliters. I'm just kidding. 1 part is going to be 1 ounce. So 1.5 ounces or 45 milliliters. And they don't say to stir, so I'm just going to garnish. Garnish is going to be a twist of orange. See how well I can do this? Oh, I am getting better. Express, wipe, and drop, and 1 maraschino cherry. In there like that. And there you have it, the Myers Rum Old Fashioned. Drink with good spirits.